I rise to speak in support of the nomination of Judge Sonia Sotomayor to serve on the Supreme Court of the United States. First, I would like to applaud Chairman Leahy and Ranking Member Sessions for conducting a successful confirmation hearing. The hearings lasted 4 days. 15 witnesses testified, and thousands of people attended the hearing in person. Topics of discussion range from executive privilege to property rights. In the end, the reviews were that the hearing was constructive and fair. At the same time, millions of Americans all across the country tuned in to the confirmation hearings on television to find out who Justice Sotomayor is. As a U.S. Senator, I had the privilege of meeting with Judge Sotomayor in person and can say that the American people saw what I witnessed firsthand: an individual with extensive judicial experience, a clear understanding of the law, and the judicial temperament to be an excellent Supreme Court justice. Judge Sotomayor's nomination is a historic moment for several reasons. With 17 years as a federal district and appellate court judge, Judge Sotomayor has more judicial experience than anyone confirmed for the court in the past 100 years. She's also part of a small group of judges who have been nominated to the federal judiciary by presidents of different parties, Presidents George H.W. Bush and President Bill Clinton. And with the addition of President Obama, she will become the first person nominated by 3 presidents to serve on the federal judiciary. Judge Sotomayor, as we all know, is also the first Hispanic American nominated to serve on the Supreme Court in its 220-year history. Her family immigrated to the United States from Puerto Rico. Her family didn't have a lot of money, but her mother valued education and hard work. Judge Sotomayor would go on to Princeton and Yale Law School, where she excelled academically. Judge Sotomayor did not have the benefit of a family name or wealth, but she had ambition. She proves that you can improve your life in a single generation. I am confident that many young men and women of all backgrounds are inspired by her example. Perhaps they will hit the books a little harder, practice their craft a little more, and not give up on reaching their own individual dreams. As governor of Virginia, and now United States Senator, I've carried out the responsibility of selecting, vetting, and nominating individuals to serve on the bench. It's an enormous responsibility because the decisions that judges make affect people's lives. Much has been said about Judge Sotomayor's judicial philosophy. In testimony before the Senate Judiciary Committee, she made clear to me that she fully understands the role of a judge. In her own words, her judicial philosophy is simple: fidelity to the law and a rigorous commitment to interpreting the Constitution according to its terms. Independent institutions can attest to this. The American Bar Association unanimously found Judge Sotomayor to be highly qualified, its highest rating. A number of other nonpartisan groups have found her constitutional decisions to be solidly in the mainstream. Judge Sotomayor's commitment to public service, extensive judicial experience, and fidelity to the law make her an excellent candidate to serve on the Supreme Court of the United States of America. I look forward to casting my vote in support of Judge Sotomayor and encourage my colleagues on both sides of the aisle to do the same.